Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help Australians just like you start their own online business selling things right here in Australia. We've got over 2,000 members with sales of over $50 million, and you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. This video is Kathy Loys, one of the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneur. She's going to be taking you through some great ways to find products to sell on Amazon using Helium 10. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to come and find the fantabulous Kathy Lloyd. Kathy Lloyd, I'm coming for you, darling. Where's Kath? Here she is. And what I'm going to do, hon, is I'm going to make you the presenter. And that means that you can share your screen, and you'll need to put your mic on when you're ready, love. A little bit of history about Kath while she's just getting her shit together. Kathy is one of the coaches here at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. She's helped a lot of people find profitable products to sell on Amazon. She does a really fantastic job of that. Not only that, her own Amazon business is kicking ass, and she's selling in the US and also in Australia. And she is becoming my go-to lady. When I think about selling on Etsy, then the first person I go and talk to about that is Kathy as well. She's doing a lot of really, really cool things, consistently good ideas. Kathy, how are you, love?
Good, thanks, Neil. How are you?
Good, thank you. Good, thank you. So what have you got for us tonight?
All right, so I thought I would lead on from last week and looking at Helium 10, and I thought I'd stick with our leather dog leash to keep it consistent. So here I am on Amazon USA, and we have Helium 10 here. So here is the products that are coming up for that. So because I've been playing around with this, the Chrome extension, I've found out that we can actually do, like on Etsy, we can bring up Pinterest and we can run the extension on that and get some demand. Now,
From Pinterest?
Yes, and I'm looking at the markets so we can get, so here we are in the US, we've got 10,000 searches, and these are the different keywords that come up. But you can also check out India. I can't believe it. I found India was working. So there's 143 searches. And Canada works. Unfortunately, Australia's not working yet. So there you go. For Canada, for a dog leash, leather dog leash, there's 1,102 searches. So that's, yeah, it's a really great tool. It's really easy. So I kept going, and here we go for this. We have Alibaba, and we can run the extension on that as well. So we can go back to the US. Okay, so there's that. Etsy, we did last week. You can do the other marketplaces as well. Not all of them work, but just play around with it, guys, and have some fun. And last but not least, I thought I'd show you this. So we're running leather dog leash over Amazon USA. And if we click on that, there's our suppliers on Alibaba, and you can put in some filters. So if you want $2 to $3, I want an MOQ of 200 because I'm new, and apply. And there you go.
Boom.
Yeah, pretty cool.
That's very sexy.
20
I like
pieces, 100 pieces. So for those people starting out, you know, with a smaller budget, can save you a lot of time by using these filters. So
how do people get that? How do people get that? What's the dealio with regards to getting the the extension you're using?
Well, this extension comes for free. You get 10 goes a month. But if you go into, I can send the link. I won't go in now because I'll go into my full account.
Mm-hmm.
But you can go into Helium 10, and then it's got what's called a la carte menu, and you can just purchase this bit. So
Which is
that will,
X-ray.
yes, but that will give you, you'll be able to do profitability calculators, ASIN grabbing, and run these things on that as well, and also run it over, you know, these websites. It's
And
just
Kathy mentioned about Australia. I spoke to the boys from Helium 10 on Friday, and Australia is coming within the next 2 weeks. Australia will be there as well for this.
cool, because we've got Black Box to do research on for Australia, which is a research tool, but not X-ray yet. But yeah. So how's that? Now,
That's very, very
just
cool.
say, if you look on this, hang on, I'll go here. I'll get rid of that. So if I run that, it's not going to Amazon search. Maybe it's this. Let's just want to show you. No, it does say that it will do it on Pinterest, Etsy, Alibaba, and Shopify, but I can't work out how it does on Shopify yet. So if I do work it out, I'll let everyone know. But I've been putting in like dog leash, leather dog leash, trying to find Shopify stores, and then running the extension, but it's not working for me. And I've searched YouTube and Helium 10 site for some training on it, but I can't find it. But this is so good. Pretend that you're selling in the US and you think, oh, I might go to, India market or Canada. Is it worth me going to Canada? And then, bang, it's pretty damn quick. So it'll give you the information all with, one tool. It's pretty, I really, really like this tool.
Yeah, they've done a great job.
Yeah. So that was all I want to share tonight. But yeah, so you can do it on Pinterest, Alibaba, Etsy, and of course run it over your USA page. And hopefully in 2 weeks we'll be able to see what's happening in Australia. That would be absolutely brilliant because we have been flying a bit blind there.
That's right. And what I'm going to do with that, what all of these companies will do always is they come to me and they'll say, will you promote our product for a share of the subscription fee? So that's what always happens. That's an affiliate marketing relationship. And what I always come back to them with is I'm happy to promote something that I personally use and personally like, but I don't want the referral fee. Instead, what I want is a coupon code that my peeps can use to get a better deal on the product. So that's what I'm going to go to Helium 10 with and see if they'll, instead of giving me the referral fee, which from memory, I think they offer 20% to their affiliates. I can't remember exactly what it is.
They do 50% 1 month. That's it, I think.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Aren't they cheap bastards? Well, I'll try and get something better than that for sure.
Yeah.
But whatever it is, I'll just get it, and then I'll make sure that we get a coupon code so I can pass it on to you, so that you guys can kind of get that. I don't need the money, so I'd much rather you were getting a better deal and using it to go towards your business. I think that'd be a much cooler thing to do. So as soon as I get it though, I'll let you know, and then maybe we can get Kathy back on to do more of a kind of in-depth demo of how to use Helium 10. I think that'd be really useful.
Yeah, so I use Helium, I have Jungle Scout, and I do use Merchant Words as well. But I think Helium's my favourite.
Yeah, you're
and
definitely the
I have
Helium
no
girl.
affiliation with them at all either. It's just I find easier for me.
Yeah.
And I cross-check it with the others as well, so I keep them on their toes.
I like that.
Yeah. Yeah,
Kathy, thanks so much for that, darling. That was wonderful. Really, really, thanks for taking the time as well to show everybody that. Really appreciate it, home.
no problem. Have a great night, everyone. Thank you.
All right. Oh, Kath, can you post a link in the Facebook group that you talked about as well for
I
this?
certainly will. Yes, I have a link. I'll do it in about 10 minutes.
You're a superstar. Thanks, hon. That was a video taken from my regular Monday night Q&A session that we have here at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Every week we jump on a call just like you saw, and I'm just answering questions, helping people build their Amazon business. If you'd like to get myself to help you build your Amazon business, you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you on the inside. Bye for now.